Arnold Schwarzenegger is the embodiment of the Sigma male, the lone wolf who doesn't follow the crowd but forges his own destiny with laser focus, self-discipline. Born in a small Austrian village, he didn't wait for permission to dream big. He trained in silence, obsessed over his goals, and built a world that didn't exist for him. While others chased trends, Arnold chased excellence, becoming a champion bodybuilder, a Hollywood icon, and a governor, not because he sought fame, but because he moved with purpose. He was told his accent was too thick, his name too strange, his dreams too big, but he turned those flaws into his brand. That's Sigma energy. Sigma males don't beg for approval. They create their own path and walk it alone if they have to. Arnold didn't just succeed in one field, he dominated in many, proving that when you master yourself, the world eventually follows. He shows us that being a Sigma isn't about being better than others. It's about being better than you were yesterday, in silence, with vision, strength, and an iron will.